Hello, my name is Christian Angel, and today I will be showing you how to set up and use Keyboard Express. Once you have installed Keyboard Express on your PC or laptop, you need to go to All Programs and look for it. Once you have found it, right-click on it, and then choose Send to. Then click on Desktop, Create Shortcut. Now you should find a shortcut on your desktop for Keyboard Express. Now you will need to click on the shortcut. Now you're in Keyboard Express Explorer. Look on the left-hand side, and you should see Categories with 2 folders in it, named All Categories and Unassigned. Now this is how you add a category to Keyboard Express. Look at the top toolbar, and look for Category. Then click on it once. Then select New Category. Now you click on New Category, and you will see a new category folder come up on the left-hand side. Now name it what you want to name it. Now I want you to look on the right side, and you will see Hotkey Explorer, Add Hotkey, Hotkey Editor, Capture, and Recycle Bin. Now you will need to click on Add Hotkey. Now select Ctrl+A, and then click on Enter Keystrokes. Please remember this. Never use Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V, as these are your shortkeys for copy and paste on your keyboard. If you do use them, you won't be able to use them as copy and paste shortkeys. Now you can see that you're in Hotkey Editor, where it says nickname. You will put, for example, Jungle Gin 100 No Knocking Rules. Now where I have written copy what you want to run, and paste in the rules that you have been given. Now you can see I have added Jungle Gin rules. To get the delay up on each line, just look on the left-hand side of the page, and double-click on delay. Then type in 04.00, then click on OK. Now on the right-hand side of the page, look for Hotkey Explorer, and click on it. It should come up with, do you want to save changes? And all you have is click on Yes. Now you can see that you have added a hotkey to Keyboard Express. Click on the category Unassigned. Then drag and drop the rule you just did to the new category that you had added. All hotkeys will show up in all categories. Now just repeat from steps 6 to step 10 until you have done all your rules. It is very easy to run a hotkey. All you have to do is hold down, for example, is Ctrl+A together, and it will run the hotkey for you, or Ctrl+ what the hotkey shortkey letter is. Also make sure you have the cursor in the chat lobby of where you want the hotkey to run. Never open another window, as this will make the hotkey run in that window instead. That is all you have to know about Keyboard Express and how to use it.